everybody, my name is Florence. I work at Patuxent Nursery in the annuals department, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a fall planter. So when you start off with your planter, you're going to want to fill your pot with your potting soil. Any regular potting soil would be fine. Just make sure you have it nice and packed down. So when it comes to making a planter, there's typically one rule to follow, where you're going to want a filler, a thriller, and a spiller. A thriller is going to be your centerpiece. This is what gives you a lot of height. Today we'll be using a juncus, and this right here, as you can see, is nice and tall, and it just really catches your eyes. Next, you want a filler, and typically these are plants that are mid-height, not as tall as the thriller, and they give body to your creation. And lastly, you'd want to have a spiller, which would be using a creeping jenny. And as you can see, this one hangs over and it really drapes over the pot, and that just really completes the look. So basically you're going from high, medium, low. Now, although we have those rules, you're more than welcome to switch it up whatever way you'd like. It's really not hard set, and since this is your pot, it's your creation. And another thing to really think about when you're creating it is where you're going to be placing it. If it's going to be going against your door, what color is your door, what color is the brick around your house, or what color is the adjacent flower beds that you have around. Or even if you want to go crazy, you can just use this as a little micro experiment to try out any new wild ideas you have. So since this is also fall, we're going to be using this ornamental cabbage that really gives you the fall feel, these ornamental peppers, and then this dusty miller that has a nice silvery color to it.